Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video I want to show you how I do my waxing, my armpit waxing. So these are products I'm going to use. I'm going to use cotton wool, then my wax warmer. This one, it melts my wax. This is how it looks like. Yeah, then these are the wax beans, my wax beans. Yep. And this castic and the powder. Yep, so let's jump straight into the video. So I'm going to melt my wax and show you how I melt my wax. I connect this to electricity so that it melts the wax. Okay. So it's melting. It's melting. It's very hot. Very hot. So that's my wax. It's already melted and it's very hot. Very hot. So it's going to show you. So that's funny. So let me skin. Is it important? So it's my hair. It's that thing. Let's make this skin. Let me see what it is. So make this nice. And do makeup. So rub it on your armpit. Okay. Like that. I'm just saying that. Okay. Okay. So the final finish. I should be too. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Leave it dry. As you cut it out. It gets hard. So my wax have dried. You see, very dry. So I want to pull it off. So this is how you pull it off. It's so painful. You grab your skin like this and you count it 1 to 3. So painful. So I want to pull it 1. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go the second time. 1, 2, 3. Let's go the third time. 1, 2, 3. We are done. We are almost done. Let's go the other time. 1, 2, 3. Here how it's look. You see the hairs? I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. She has removed all the hairs. These are the hairs. You see? It has removed all my hairs. Okay. Now if you want now to do it for the second time, you can still do it. You remove all the hairs again. You just repeat the same process. So you see this? See the difference? This? Bye bye.